Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so I just want to throw this video out for a fix. If you guys have a vehicle that won't start after you get gas, or it'll start after, I don't know, 10-15 tries of cranking, and then it'll run a little rough, and then it'll run just fine for the rest of the whatever's left of the gas tank after so essentially this is a common enough issue. It's a bit of a strange issue, but it's not too much of a big fix. And this happened to me last week, and it was happening to me since then, until maybe a couple days ago when I figured out what the problem was. Funny enough, it works. It works fine. It worked fine after the initial issue, and I drove it fine all the way till it was maybe a quarter. There was a quarter amount of gas in the tank, and I had to get gas again, and I filled it up at the gas station, and after it got filled up, tried to start it, it would crank up and then nothing. It would crank up and then nothing. The RPM would be low, and it'll start after maybe like 10, 11, 12 tries. I'll pump the gas, I'll pump the accelerator just to get gas into the engine, and then try to start it. Did multiple things, but after maybe like 15 tries, 10 tries, however many tries, it did start up. But once it started up, it would idle really rough. It would run really rough for I don't know, for a little bit. Maybe I would say maybe like a couple miles, 5-6 miles, and then afterwards it would just run perfect. It would just run perfect up until the next time I would fill up for gas, and I found out what the issue was. Depending on your car, this is pretty much an easy part to get to and to replace for most vehicles. I'm going to tell you exactly which part it is, and you could probably just walk into an AutoZone to pick it up. So basically, when this happens, sometimes your check engine light will come on, and you guys will get a couple of Evap codes. Some of the common codes would be like P0441 and P0446, and those are Evap codes. Even if it drives fine, you guys might actually notice that you guys are getting lower MPGs. You're not getting the MPGs that you're getting, and the reason for this is because of this part. This part is the canister purge valve. So it has to be opened properly. If it's not, if it has any kind of malfunction, it's going to impact your gas mileage. Yeah. So you're probably going to have maybe engine issues such as rough idling. The fuel to air ratio won't be correct, and it could cause a lot of other issues besides you not being able to get your car started unless you actually try to turn on multiple times. And if you guys are stuck in this situation, try to start it up as many times as you can. And at some point, maybe on the 10th try or whatever, you will get your car started. Just drive it for a little bit, and it'll smooth out. The idle will smooth out, and you'll drive fine after that. But you do not want to be driving like that for very long, and you definitely do not want the situation to come up again. There could be a chance that you might not be able to get your car started. The part is essentially around like 18 bucks. To be honest with you, it's around $18, $19, $20. It kind of depends on your vehicle. Most of the time, you could actually change it yourself. It's under the hood. Sometimes, to be honest with you, it's under the car. But if you're lucky enough to have that part under the hood, just look it up. And this video is essentially for all vehicles. If you guys have any vehicles from any manufacturer that does this, there's a good chance that that canister, that vapor canister purge valve is what's causing your issues. Now, if you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Leave a comment regardless. All right, guys, leave a comment, thumbs up, subscribe, take it easy. All right, guys, bye.